sense of purpose. The ancient Indian education system, spanning thousands of years, was a holistic and comprehensive approach to learning that emphasized both intellectual and spiritual development, as well as practical skills and ethical values. The Indian education system has undergone significant transformation over time. Gurukuls, tolls, Vidyapits, Pathshala, Agraharas, Viharas, temples, madrasas are some examples of institutions that evolved throughout time. Today, we are going to show the revolution of Indian education system with a small act to be performed by little students of Kidveda Hattigar Center. Let's enjoy it. The Gurukul system was an ancient Indian education model where students known as Shishya lived with Guru or teacher as a family. The Guru-Shishya Parampara or teacher-student relationship was central to the system. This system focused on holistic development, aiming to nurture a student's mind, body, and spirit. गुरुकुल की महिमा है न्यारी, जहाँ ज्ञान की गंगा बहती, ऋषि मुनियों की धारा में हर शिष्य की किस्मत संवरती। वेदों का रस पाने यहाँ ज्ञान का दीप जलता, गुरु के चरणों में बैठ शिष्य का हृदय पवित्र होता। Pathshala. This education system was prevalent before British colonial rule, offering a community-based focus on practical skills and religious teachings. This informal education emphasized oral learning, memorization, and practical applications.
शाम, तुम आज भी देर से आए? क्यों? देखो पत्तों में भीगा हुआ है।
माफ कर दो दीदी, कल से समय से आऊंगा।
दीदी, आपको पता है शाम 2 नदियाँ और एक छोटा सा जंगल पार कर के आता है, इसलिए उसको देर हो जाता है।
अच्छा, पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? ठीक है, चलो आ जाओ।
The modern school education system of India before the new education policy was largely inherited from the British colonial era. The system emphasized on rote learning and a rigid academic structure. However, the new education policy NEP 2020 focuses on holistic, flexible and multidisciplinary education rooted in Indian values.
Hey Tina, what's up?
Hi Rahul,
I have just heard that our school has built a new science lab, a computer lab, and a big auditorium.
really? Let's go there.
boasts of a diverse range of digital learning platforms catering to various educational needs from school level to professional development, which is called e-learning.
इसमें दम है जो करेगा हमसे कोई झगड़ा
Education is an evolving, lifelong journey, and the methods of teaching are constantly changing to meet the needs of each child. At Geek Veda, we believe learning should be a joyful process. Our goal is the holistic development of every child through a variety of engaging activities, games, field trips, and events. These experiences are designed to nurture their emotional, social, cognitive, and interpersonal growth, helping them thrive in every aspect of their lives. We believe in play, learn, and grow.
What a wonderful performance by Kirpela Hatikar Center. May I request their center coordinator, Mrs. Sonali Kalitadeka, along with their teachers and staff, to please come forward for the group photo. This year, we introduced the new Sip and Draw activity as a part of our event. All participating children have received certificates of participation which were handed over to the respective center heads. In the meanwhile, I request Kalyani Sagar Center to get ready in the backstage, Boripara Center to be ready in the green room, Aminkau Center to be ready in the waiting area, and the next center in line is Air Force Gate Center. Thank you everyone. Parents are requested to connect your child from the right hand side of the stage.
समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर फूक मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे चप्पर हट समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर फूक मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे चप्पर खोल पर